All right, back out here at Denmark Drone Park. We have a Develop Air base model with us. Last time you saw this Develop Air take flight, last time you saw it out here, we were not able to take flight after we did a compass calibration successfully with it for the first time using the new UI in the iVue RoboControl app, which I have pulled up here in front of me, at least the development version. We're gonna allow the location. We're going to plug it in the radio to the computer, and we're going to see after updating these mLRS radios, both this one, the TX, as well as the RX that's in Develop Air. You can just go to mLRS.xyz/flash to update these units. And I guess I could show you as well. mLRS.xyz/flash. We've shown this in a previous video and have a whole video dedicated to setting up these mLRS radios. So if you want more information, go check out one of those other videos. However, here is the page if you need to update your radio if you have a similar problem we did. Now, one of our engineers thought it could be an overheating problem, which I thought could be the case as well. So I also installed the fan in the radio, which was not previously installed. And we did not have any connection problems at the workshop earlier today, so fingers crossed we will have the same sort of quote-unquote luck here. We'll get lucky. Can we get lucky? And we'll see flight with this Develop Air. Still gonna have to grab props, but we'll at least let it lock onto satellites without the props on. All right, green light is what I like to see. Green means go, all systems go. No satellites just yet. So we're in the middle of the Atlantic, not quite the middle. All right, now we have satellites, so clicking the zoom button again, and here we are at the drone park. Yeah. Saturday at the park definitely wasn't the 4th of July. That was so bad. It's all about me having fun though, folks, right? And well, obviously getting these tests done, I guess, first and foremost. But having fun while doing said test. Much to at least Brian's chagrin. Maybe your chagrin too. With this not being a super exciting video, not as exciting as some of those coming up. We have a Develop Air HP with a thermal camera, which again did not take flight last time we were out here. Said Develop Air HP has since been fixed. There's a cable being pinched, which again we'll cover more in depth in the video where we have it back out here. Maybe as early as tomorrow. And we have another Develop Air HP I quote-unquote finished building at the workshop earlier today. However, we're having a problem with the Pixhawk flight controller, the main brain CPU motherboard component. The autopilot. All right. Wow. I was wondering, where was the remote ID module coming from? We were not alone. We're being stalked. All right, 19 satellites. We're still green, ready to arm. I have no controller connected. We didn't do a compass calibration this time, but we are in Loiter flight mode. And we're going to try arming and flying. I would say slower than typical, but Just the functionality you would hope for and expect. And we're getting a battery fail-safe. So performing exactly as it should. Didn't come out here with a fully charged battery. Didn't need to do really anything more than the flight you just saw. So we'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next couple videos. Peace.